or whatever the case. Pachinko 15x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Number 7 to 20x of Topslot. Woo! There we go. Juicy win. 469 for his bidder number 10, 20x of the Topslot. Mr. Ali, 10,000 you to win. It's looking shoot. There we go. That was juicy win. Yeah, not like a 50x on Topslot, but 20x still good. That's what we need. Exactly. That was good. What?
25x. Oh, a 6 in principle. L.
This is the amount of money issued 81,564 euros.
The oven. Let's see. Look at that. 422. Still again. Let's match up. What? No, nothing. What do you mean what? And the bets are now closed. Good luck. Let's see what we're getting. Raise time is multiplied by 7 by the Topslot. And we are getting the crazy time of the Topslot of 7. Nice. Crazy. I was crazy once. Let's go. Hello, party people! Woohoo! Welcome to the crazy time. Let's see your multipliers, right? Well, now that we see our multipliers, we have the green, the blue, and the yellow. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And you have a rough decision to make. Yeah. 3 options, 3 very important decisions. See? On which one will give you a multiplier? Hopefully you make the right one. Indeed. And so the highest multiplier for this round is 700. Let's get it. Good luck. Woo. Okay, it's 350 for the yellow, 105 for the blue, and a double for the green. Woohoo! Let's double those multipliers. The highest multiplier is 1,400. Let's get it! Woo! Good luck!
This is the amount of money issued 193,842 euros.
Okay.
If you got a maximum 100x, more than 800 if you got a 50x, then 8.7 thousand winners total. Winner wins and 11.7 thousand win. Ooh, first place and top for you, as that was the highest win in amount of money from this particular round, and that's what the top 5 winners list shows. So be aware, guys. Better close good luck. Everybody got a chance to beat her. Good luck. Yeah, I mean, this is going awesome, isn't it? Already 3 different bone strands we've seen. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! There we go. That's not a crazy time. Guys, we gotta get going. Tani the Penguin is waiting, so follow me. Yoo-hoo! Hello there and welcome, sweethearts. How you doing? Huh? Good morning. Yeah, beautiful. We're back. We're back at the bone strands of the crazy time. So you may see the multipliers on the wheel out there. A triple again included, doubles there, and 3 flappers. So green, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, green. Which one are you going to stand for, huh? You got to choose and pick one flapper. If you can't choose, then automatically one will be selected after time's up. Ready? The maximum multiplier, 200x. Get it out. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 391,300 for euros.
Go, woo! 200x, 15x, and a 50x. Enjoy. Guys, what in a catch. Maximum multiplier 200x in the house. We got a 200x, 15x, and a 50x multis. Congratulations. It's a celebration for sure. Woo, beautiful. And let's keep going on. As that was already second crazy time for this session.
Yeah, that's helping more than 2,000 euro win for you. Good job. Okay, betting time. Once again, it's all yours. Out of play option is also available. Let's go. Last couple of seconds. All right. Joe, I love you. Thank you. I would love that as well for some Pachinko. Please. Yeah? Yeah. There we go. Pachinko. 4x from that top slot. I told you I would love it. We got it. So now just board. Please be good. Just want a big win for, you know. Well, okay. Starting with 3x. 5, 7, 10. 15, 20, 25, 50. Okay, why in the corner though? So there is 200x there, 100x. But why not 200x in the corner? Well, you know, I believe miracles happen. You just let us, you know. What? Good luck. Please.
This is the amount of money issued 811,010 euros.
I told you, I believe miracles happen. Yay! 6,881 winners here. Congratulations, Mark. Over 40,000 euro win for you. Stunning. All right. Congratulations. Betting time, everybody. Good. Yeah. All right, let's go. Last seconds.
Will be multiplied. Wow, guys, this might be juice. This might be juice, guys. All right, I wish you best of luck. 600 is, guys, the top multiplier. Let's go. Oh, yeah, bit more. No, 120, no. Right, 45x, guys, on Pachinko. Yeah, 6,212 winners. 90, Tony, Billy, top 3 winners. Enjoy. Betting time is yours. Some out of play option for free Tuesday. Newcomers, hello, welcome. How are you doing? Oh, well, guys. Oh, well. We tried. Now, best good luck. 4x Pachinko from Topslot. Guys, the Pachinko with a 4x. Let's go. We are unstoppable. The Buffer Power, guys. Let's check it out, the multipliers. Right. Now we're talking like 7x, the lowest multiplier. We get a 10x. Oi! Alright, guys. It's not the first time when it happens, right? You've seen it before, so let's wait a little bit. Oh no. So guys, 160x is gonna be the highest multiplier. Let me change the pucks. Switch on. All right, good luck. Come on. 100 or the double. Let's go. Let's double the bubble. Ladies and gentlemen, we talking business here. Let's go. All right, 320, guys. The highest multiplier. Let's go. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on for the Baba.
This is the amount of money issued 1,055,300 euros.
320x, guys. Woo! 6,686 winners. The Baba Power. Let's go with a new spin, guys. Whoa! Yeah, boy! Forex coin flip from Topslot.
Okay. Well, stop placing it then. Brother, if you present it on a silver platter, it's gonna be for everyone's taking. Cray-cray's quadrupled! Cray-cray's quadrupled! Cray-cray's quadrupled! 4 times crazy time. Come on, let's go! Woohoo! Woohoo! Big cray-cray. Blue double. Oh, that would be sweet. But yeah, pick and choose your flappers. Green, blue, or yellow. Whichever you think is gonna have the best, biggest prize in the town. But everything's gonna get quadrupled right off the bat. There we go. Look at that. I'm adding some special sound effects, by the way, for your enjoyment. So, pick those flappers. So where do we have most action at? I don't know, I'd be a green enthusiast for sure. Yeah, most people are going for blue, that's for sure. Second favorite's yellow, followed by green. Well, seriously, why people hate green? I've seen the best payout on green a while ago. 800x top, good luck, by the way. That's the base best, without doubles.
This is the amount of money issued 787,682 euros.
Doing well tonight, 400x. 80 times on green, yellow, you're still doing well. Blue group, blueberries, let's go. 7.7 thousand winners with a 400x. I see only top 5. Hey, wonderful. I mean, that's just the 400. 400 is nice, but the top would have been nice to see an 800 in someone's pocket. Yeah, well, I mean, I want to see that. Great.
And let's go again. For the new spin, crazy time. 7x. Spartacus. Whoa, 7x on the top slot. Maybe after this. Okay, let's. A little bit speechless. In the last 5 minutes, we hit a 7x top slot on Crazy Time. No way. No way. Yes way. Yes, we're doing it. Guys, everything is multiplied 7 times on the wheel. All the multipliers. And now, decision time. Green, blue, yellow. What's up? What's up? What to do? Which one? I don't know. I'm gonna stay loyal to green. Let's see if green one will be good. Guys, maximum multiplier 700x. Come on. Whoa. Okay, guys, double on the green. Double on my squad. Green squad, let's go. Blue 70x, yellow 350x. Oh, wow. Green, come on. Green, max win. Come on, 1,400. Let's go. Come on, set a record. Green, let's do it.
This is the amount of money issued 1,449,701 euros.
700x. 700.
Winners
Civil Guy Thomas and 5-4 wins betting time. I don't watch K-dramas. I haven't even watched Netflix in months. I don't know. I'm kind of missing out, maybe. I don't know. I just don't feel like watching Netflix currently. Like, I watch something from YouTube, perhaps like something educational, whatever the case. Pachinko 15x. What a multiplier. Guys! 15x Pachinko! No way, guys! I don't know how to act. Bro! 15x Pachinko! Look at that chat, bro. 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 25. Double. 15x! What? Wait, 300 is high. I don't know. Oh, guys, I can't. May luck be with you now, definitely. Come on. Oh, 375 was the highest. Guys.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,272,572 euros.
Huh? What? 8,500.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.